Unlimited Protein Mung Bean Project. Materials list. Organic food-grade mung beans. Glass jar or container. Clean water. A dark cupboard or corner. A moderate weight, the blueprint. 1. Place a handful of mung beans in a jar and soak in water for 8 to 12 hours. 2. Drain the water and rinse the beans thoroughly. 3. Rinse and drain the beans twice every day, ensuring no standing water remains. 4. Store the jar in a dark place to prevent the sprouts from becoming bitter. 5. Place a weight on top of the sprouts to increase their thickness and protein density. 6. Harvest after 3 to 5 days once the jar is full of white sprouts. 7. Ensure they smell fresh and are not slimy before consuming. 8. Rinse one final time and blanch briefly if you have sensitive digestion. Check the comments for 100% free resources. Like, subscribe, share, and shine your light. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.